In this video, we'll talk about this massive bull run that Lever Finance or the Lever token has had yesterday, where that brings us right now, what happened after the crash we also had last night, and basically what you can expect from Lever Finance. So let's get right into it. First of all, big drop, multiple reasons for that. We hit a major resistance level at, I'm going to call this 2700, but technically it's 0.27 cents. All right, just so you know that, but in this entire video, I'll do it like that. So big drop. What I said yesterday is that if we were actually able to hold 2400 as a support, we could get up to 3000 and 3200. Didn't manage to do that. We got a lot of bearish momentum yesterday in the last night, but even before that, Lever Finance dropped down significantly as well. The thing is, and what you need to know is that Lever Finance is kind of like a decentralized leverage trading platform. Right, I like the project. It seems nice, but you cannot really like the product yet because they don't have an app. And last community update, they said that the app was going to launch at the end of November. Now they do have some sort of a reputation to fail to deliver that app, and I want to know if they have actually failed to deliver it again. There are at least no updates on their Twitter. But it's getting later and later. So first of all, a lot of that bullish momentum was because of that news, because of the news of the app launching, which is obviously great. Fundamentally, that's amazing. Even though I must say that the price was a little bit manipulated. All right, it definitely was manipulated by not the project, I think, but by whales or something like that. That's also why we dropped down that significantly ahead of even the market dropping, because last night the market also dropped and that didn't help. And so right now, Lever Finance is in a very weird space, because I've seen market structures like this before. And sometimes what happens is that you get that third rally, which for Lever Finance would probably be up to 3200. You have that sometimes. And Lever Finance does have the fundamentals, at least if they deliver that app at the end of November, it does have those fundamentals in favor of it. Excuse me, my mouse lagged a little bit. The thing right now is that with these bearish fundamentals, what's probably going to happen is we're not getting a lot of support off of 2000 and 1900. So we're probably going to drop down below to 1700. And even though I said I have seen market structures where we get that third rally, because it would be the third rally for Lever Finance, it is hard and it doesn't happen a lot. So what's going to happen is that Lever Finance is going to drop down to 1700. And then we'll kind of consolidate between, well, let's say 1700 and 1900. And what's going to need to happen then is we need to get a spike. And as soon as that spike breaks above 2400, then it's confirmed. Then I think we're going all the way up to 3200. But something like this really would need to happen in the next week, at least. All right. Or yeah, it would really need to happen pretty soon, obviously, because I mean, if they don't launch the app at the end of November, that's obviously bearish. So, and then we would probably drop down all the way to like 1400 and 1500. So it's, the thing is, if you want to trade Lever Finance, one thing you should definitely do is follow them on everything. Follow them on Twitter, follow their newsletters. Because the price is probably, I mean, technically we're just going to drop down to 1700 and consolidate on top of that. But from that consolidation, what's going to happen next depends on the news we get. If the app launches, I think we got a pretty big chance of breaking above 2400 and getting that new top. But if they fail to deliver, then we'll probably drop down to 1400. If they postpone it, then we'll probably drop down to 1400 as well. But we have a chance to rally from 1400 again. So there's just a range of possibilities for both the news and the development of Lever, but also for the price movements, which is going to be very hard to keep up with if you don't follow them on everything. So if you really want to actively trade Lever, that's something you have to do. But obviously, I will also keep making updates on that, at least if you're interested in that. So for now, that's my take on Lever Finance this Monday. I want to wish you all a great Monday. Take care and bye.